Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix HDR clips that look gray and washed out in DaVinci Resolve. If you've ever imported HDR footage only to find it looking flat and lifeless, this quick fix will restore those vibrant colors and proper contrast in just a few steps. Let's jump right in. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and load up the project containing your washed out HDR clip. Once you're in, navigate to the bottom of your screen and click on Edit. This takes you to the editing workspace where we'll apply the necessary corrections to your footage. Now shift your attention to the top left corner of the screen and click on Effects. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Resolve FX. This opens up DaVinci's built-in effects library, which contains all the tools we need to properly transform your HDR footage into something viewable on standard displays. In the effects library, search for Color Space Transform. This is the key effect that will handle the conversion from HDR to standard dynamic range. Once you've located it, simply drag it onto your video clip on the timeline. This effect is specifically designed to translate color information between different color spaces and gamma curves, which is exactly what we need here. After applying the effect, head over to the top right of your screen and click on Inspector. This panel shows you all the properties and settings for whatever is currently selected. Within the inspector, click on Effects to see the parameters for the color space transform effect you just applied. Next, click on Open FX to expand the full controls for the effect. Now you'll see all the settings we need to adjust to properly convert your HDR footage. Let's start with the Input Color Space setting. Click the drop-down menu and select Rec.2020. This tells DaVinci that your source footage uses the wide color gamut standard for HDR content, which is crucial for maintaining accurate color information during the conversion. Now move down to Input Gamma and click its dropdown. From here, select Rec.2100 HLG. This specifies the gamma curve your HDR footage was captured with, ensuring that the brightness and contrast information is interpreted correctly. Next, we need to define where we're converting to. Click the dropdown for Output Color Space and select Rec.709. This is the standard color space used for regular HD video and most computer monitors, so it's what we want our final output to match. Finally, click the dropdown for Output Gamma and choose Gamma 2.4. This gamma curve is ideal for viewing on most displays and will give your footage the proper contrast and tone mapping it needs to look natural on non-HDR screens. And that's it, your previously washed out HDR clip should now display with proper colors, contrast, and brightness. This color space transformation ensures your footage looks the way it was meant to, even on standard displays. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.